I'm on my way home. And I'd just like to give to my husband a great big thank you for all the love and care that he's given me over the last 23 days. It's been, what can I say, very painful, very long. And we're just going along Roscommon Road, and we'll just about be at home. And we're just going along, just about there. We're just passing the Z on Roscommon Road. It's been a very emotional day, but we're getting there with the love and support that was just poured over me. We had to wait in discharge lounge at Middlemore Hospital, and I couldn't fault Middlemore Hospital for the care that they gave me and ensured that everything that was going to happen in the next 4 weeks before I go back for a checkup, that both Tu and I are very clear on what to do and how to do it. The district nurse is coming every other day just to check how I'm doing and how my dressings are doing. But yeah, very emotional. I'm very tired, and I couldn't have done this without my loving and caring husband. And we're just going along Roscommon Road. I think it's going to be a nice day tomorrow, but it's just a little bit chilly and a little bit cold outside. And we're just about ready to pass Browns Road, and then we'll be home in about 5 minutes, which I cannot wait to get on my bed and just chill without having all blood pressure taken at all hours of the night and everybody's little bed bells going off. And we're just going along Roscommon Road, and we're nearly at home, and I can't wait to just to get home. We just had to pick up the prescription, and Tua just waited to get that for me. And the lights look quite sparkly up in the sky. And then my sister Angela comes home on Saturday. She doesn't know that I'm out of hospital yet, and it'll be a big surprise when she rings tonight, and she'll see that I'm at home. And when I get home, there'll be love showered over me. The sky looks quite blue, but it is quite dark. Petrol here was $2.63, and NPD further back was $2.32. So 31 cents difference in a litre of petrol 5 minutes away from each other. Welcome to Roscommon Road. The traffic's very thick. Oh yeah, so we're just about ready to sign off. But we'll just get a little bit further. Yep. But your tours come to see me every day, and he comes in at 8 o'clock in the morning to get the update from the doctors, and he doesn't really leave until about this time from the hospital. But we'll get in there, but I can't wait to get home. The lights do look quite smart, all lit up, and you can still see the trees. It's a bit slow along here because the traffic's pretty thick. Birthday presents for Siata, because her birthday's tomorrow, and I'll be home to celebrate her birthday with her, which I was hoping that I could get home today or tomorrow, But she doesn't know either, so it'll be a nice surprise for her, as well as Halia and Nairi. But it's just a very emotional time at the moment. Just been in hospital for such a long time, and then we're so close, but so far from just pulling into the driveway at home. And there's a picture of the clear sky, and it is 6:30. This has been the longest trip home for Middlemore Hospital, because 21 days in hospital is the longest I've ever been in hospital, and I have been in hospital a few times. And the last few times Tua has been there to support and just be a true husband. In other words, care and love for me, which he has shown. And now we're just about up to Clendon Township. As you can probably see, all the lights. Traffic's still pretty heavy. And we're just going past Golden Arches, which I'm not too keen on. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, and then we're just about home. And I just can't wait to get up. My effort will be to get up the stairs without any incidents, which I'm planning and to getting up easily, and with the care from Tua and the support, I'll get up there. Just go around the roundabout to home. We're about 2 minutes away, which I cannot wait. And the support I got at Middlemore Hospital and the care, and just I cannot fault Middlemore Hospital. And the nurses and the doctors, very professional, very good manner, and very good care I was given. And now we're just going down Weymouth Road. We're getting closer each time the wheels go round. We're just getting a little bit closer to getting home. I'd just like to thank you all for sharing in this video of me returning home. One more roundabout after this one, and we'll be two more roundabouts, and then we'll be home. And they're meant to be fixing one of these, but I'm not sure quite which one they're meant to be fixing.
That was yesterday. 2 days ago.
I read it on Facebook, and Weymouth and Clendon has opted into getting the rubbish done fortnightly, which I think is a very bad move, because you can see it on a weekly. All the bins are absolutely full, and Weymouth and Clendon will be turned into a ratville with so much rubbish just lying around, and the amount of rubbish that is just getting dumped because their bins are full, which I think is a stupid idea. Spend some money on something that's worthwhile, not stopping people's rubbish being put out. That's what we pay rates for. And now we're just about at home and turning into Crispian Place. Here we are. Home sweet home. Thank you, Tua. Love you heaps. Bye-bye.